Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I got a comment that said I should play Build a Boat for treasure. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I have obviously played this game before. It's like one of the most popular games on Roblox. I don't know what's up with my Wi-Fi or anything. Yeah, I'm a beginner, obviously. I didn't play it much. I don't have items though, so yeah. Anyway, the goal by the end of this video is to make it to the end. That's what I'm going to try to do. I wish there was like an easier way to build this. This is just... Okay, just shut up. Anyway. There's the engine here. There's a seat there. And let's see how far this takes us. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. I obviously not unlocked every level because, yeah, I like barely played this. Anyway, the goal of this is to avoid all the obstacles. Oh my god, I'm horrible at it. Just went over that rock like it was like nothing. I played this engine off-centered. I had to deal with all this. Oh my god. Look, there's someone's boat over here. I don't know what that thing was or is. Look, there's a button. What if I pull the lever? Oh no, that's a seat. Oh, that was a lever. Anyway. Here we are in Mushroom Land. There's not like a single mushroom in sight. Alright, Sheriff. Oh my god. This is the first time I've been here. I don't know what's up with my voice. I don't really feel good. But I lost my engine, so this is gonna take me forever. Anyway. Look at all the beauty. Look at all the rocks. Look at all the... whatever this thing is. Oh my god, it's following me. Alright, where are we? Yeah, we're in Spears. Whatever this is. This video might be short. We're very close to the end. Alright, I need to go text my friend. Give me a second. Alright, anyway. Oh my god, what happened? This is the instrumental level. I swear to god if this guy calls me. Oh my, I lost a foot. That would be crazy if I make it out alive on this thing. They were here. Oh no, I died. No! On the rock. Oh god. Alright, well that was short-lived. But hey, look, I made quite a profit. Alright. Here, I don't want any distractions for you guys. Anyway. Alright, what should I buy? I'm gonna buy the gold chest. Or whatever this is. To hopefully get some more blocks to build our boat with. Alright, that was... okay, that was cool. That was good. That was a good haul of treasure. Anyway, I'm gonna start with an outer layer of these concrete blocks. He's not even in the server anymore. Yeah, my friend joined me. He tried to join the thing as he saw, and now he left. I think he got my message that I sent to him. Anyway. Oh, we're not mouse him. There he is. My good old pointy finger. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Bro, this is so annoying when you miss places. I'm too lazy to go back, so you're gonna have to deal with it. Alright, there we go. Very good. Very, very good. Anyway. Put that there. Put this here. And off we go. Again. And I put it off centered again, bro. Yeah, as you can see here, I've never been to the end because it's black highlighted, so that means I've never been to the end before. Anyway, so today we are going to get to the end. Alright. Wait, why is it... Bruh. Oh my god. It's bent because of that little block that I misplaced. Maybe I should play Minecraft someday. I do have it installed on my computer, so I could play it. Let me know if you guys want to see me play on my survival world with my ugly house, bro. It's so bad. But it's built on a nice mountain. Like with every single biome like close to it. Not every single biome, but most of the biomes close to it. Anyway, back to the sheriff level. Oh my! What happened? What did I do? Does that thing just instantly kill me? Okay, that's not cool. That's not cool. That's not cool. I'm gonna build it again, but this time like safer. Cause that was just like no. I'm not accepting that. I will not accept that. I will beat this game no matter how long this video is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Anyway. I'm somewhat building a boat at least. I mean, there's like this flying hack you can make out of like this thing and these thingies. And yeah. Anyway. You've probably like seen it before. The fly hack or fly glitch, whatever you want to call it. I call it the fly hack. Alright, now it's time to add a roof. Yes, a roof. I might have to end this video early because I do have to go golfing with my dad. But he usually wakes up like 1 o'clock, so it's like 10 a.m. right now, so we're good. There's no chance it's going to take 3 hours on this. 3 or 4 hours, I'm just too tired. It's a lovely Saturday, and I'm too tired to do math. We just did our end of the year testing this week or last week, so I'm exhausted from testing 24/7. I don't know if you guys use this, but probably not, but we use ERB, CTP, online testing, and yeah, it's literal torture. But it's not as bad as iReady. If you know what iReady is, you understand me. And if you don't know what iReady is, I'll tell you. So it's basically this thing that teachers use. It's like a math app that teachers can assign lessons on for you to complete. Yeah, it doesn't sound bad. You finish the lessons for coins, but the math lessons take hours. One math lesson takes me 30 minutes to complete. We have to do 3 a day. That's like an hour and a half of just iReady. And yeah, once you complete the math lesson, you get 20 coins, and if you get 50 coins, then you can play an iReady game. Where's my engine? Oh, there it is. But those iReady games are so bad. Recently, last week, one of my friends found a Reddit post with all the iReady games linked on it, so you can just play on it whenever you want, play the games whenever we want. And when the teacher comes up, why aren't you doing iReady? We'll just say, we're doing an iReady game, and then she'll leave. So yeah, that's kind of our hack. Anyway, so yeah, but it doesn't sound bad. Yeah, the lessons do take a long time, but even though it doesn't sound bad, it's literal torture. It's just, I hate it. Everyone hates it. If you go to the App Store, like the Google Play Store, wherever you're watching this on, store, then you'll see, then go to search up iReady, and then the App Store is just 1.3 stars. It's so bad. I mean, I hate it. Personally, I hate it. So, yeah, we had to do one of the, that's the flying hack that I was talking about. So, yeah, it's right there on the map. So, our boat just capsized. And when you do the iReady test, the diagnostics, it is literal torture. It takes 2 days to complete one diagnostic. And then of course there are those slow kids that are take forever to complete theirs, so you have to be quiet for another extra 2 hours while that one kid completes his test. And it's just so annoying, and those tests, yeah, you do get these little brain break thingies only once or twice in the test. But yeah, only once or twice, and it's just so bad. It's kind of poorly designed, and it's just, everyone hates it. Yeah. So honestly, iReady should really update. And since we're using those school iPads, I think most of you use computers, but we use iPads. And you can't use the App Store, so the thing would beg you to update iReady, but you can't. So that is so annoying whenever it'll pop up to ask to update iReady. You can't update iReady. It's just so annoying. Anyway, this is where we died last time, the mushroom, or not mushroom, Cowland. cow in? Wait a minute, that's not a cow, it's a tornado. Well, I mean, it would be kind of weird if giant cows come and attack us. I think we're gonna make it out alive. The tornado is nowhere near us, and the lightning doesn't do that much damage. Plus, lightning misses. Hee hee. Anyway, where are we? Honeycomb land. Thingy. Oh, that did a lot. Oh no, here comes another one. Alright, I think we're in the clear for now. There's that one more rock that I have to hit. And then we're in the clear. Look, there's a fly hack guy. He's gonna pass like right above us. I think he's above us actually, like above the room thingy. Alright, here we are. Diner land or whatever. The diner level. What was that? Oh, that sounds so bad. Why am I taking damage? That sounds so bad, bro. It's the ketchup and mustard. They really gotta change that sound. Oh my god. At least we made it somewhat closer. I mean, we were close. What if I make a boat entirely out of chests? Alright, I'm gonna do that. Okay, we have like these chests to use. 18 chests. I don't think we can place them beside each other because of its wings. Randomly place them close to each other. I mean, you get a bunch of these chests, but like you can't really like turn them in and get cash. You can't sell them, so pretty much just useless. But they do make it a lovely mouth. But when you open them, they make the nicest noise in the world. Oh, those are like whatever. Here, I'll open one for you, so you can listen. Oh, the chest. What if this goes farther than the other one? That'd be amazing. I don't think they're all gonna connect to each other. Alright, we got these things. Alright. Listen. This is really loud, sorry about that. I do have a quieter mouse, but it's really crappy. And we're trying to launch. Oh, this is what I was talking about. It's just gonna disband like this. These seem like they're connected. Alright. Oh, this is not gonna work. And we just sit back and relax and watch me and these chests do something. Yeah, this is kind of just wasting time. Commit suicide, baby! Yeah, there's a secret behind the waterfall that is true. Right there, that waterfall over there. That one. And like there's this like little library thingy. I'm gonna buy one of these. That you can like you have to click a book and like random stuff will happen. And if you click the an engine, that's kind of a signal. And if you click the right book, then like you'll get a cool prize. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna keep it a surprise for you. So whenever you do get it, it's gonna be a surprise. I'm not gonna ruin it. Random YouTuber you found on the internet's not gonna ruin it for you. I'll make it big this time. I wish there was like a 2x speed in this game, because like whenever you launch your boat, it takes a long time to go. Anyway. Oh no, stop. Alright, whatever. Let's keep building, let's keep building. Now we add these sturdier blocks. Like one of the sturdiest blocks in the game beside the obsidian. I don't know if that's in this game. But you know what game it is in this Minecraft. Anyway. Three hours later. Anyway, so comment down below what kind of testing app, or if you do it on paper. Comment if you do it on paper, but if you do it electronically, virtually, like comment down below what you use. I use iReady and ERB. I'm already out of these blocks. I thought I had like way more. Oh, this is my other friend. Anyway, where were I? Oh yes, we were building the few blocks we have left. It's so annoying when you only have like 7 gold and you need more blocks. And you can't afford a chest. And then you actually have to leave within like half completed build. This is gonna look horrible. I'm trying to go fast. Alright, now time for the quartz blocks. Or any other block we have. Okay, we have this like carpet thingy. Oh no, this is like black rock or whatever. I don't think it's obsidian. It's like, what the heck is that thing? My friend built it. Didn't he? Hopefully he's not gonna like use one of those grappling hooks and ruin it. Oh shit! Scare the fucking hell out of me. Yeah. Anyway, yes, where were we? Just don't mind any of this. I'm just... Yeah, thanks a lot, Roblox. I'm making video... is that short enough? Alright, there we go. Now turn off chat and... Where am I? Where am I? Oh my god, I'm across the goddamn map. This guy is so annoying. I'm on his plot. Wait, is my plot right next to his? eating a crust on my man. That's so annoying. This should be my plot right here. I swear to God, if it's in. It's not. Because if I reset my character, then like I don't know if sorry. Anyway, yeah, I did say I'm feeling under the weather today. Yeah, if I reset my plot, I'm pretty sure it'll delete my build, and I worked hard on that build. Alright, we're almost back. I swear to God, if he blows me up again. Here I am, finally my own plot. I don't know why I turned on ISO. Oh, thank God it's still there. I don't know why I turned on isolation mode. They still yeeted TNT at me. Thank God my build is here. I'm gonna delete some of these blocks so we can use it. Anyway, yeah. Thank God my build is still here. I'm gonna be back to peacefully building, like, whatever you want to call this. I'm not trying to make it look nice by any means. I'm just trying to get to the end and end the video. Alright. This has got to work, please work. That's not really good build. Did he leave the game? Yeah, please leave the game. I do not want to be watching him. Not like he's watching or anything. Okay, he left the game. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna AFK for a bit. Alright, I'm back. I'd have the screen just stop working. I don't know if you can see the bottom part of the screen. Because something happened. Oh no, I think you can see it now. Alright, I fixed it. Anyway, no, my engine! Am I still sitting? Okay. Oh my God, he's back. Luckily I'm on my building plot though. If I just leave the game, I mean, he's too lazy to leave the game and come after me. Alright, what did he put through chat now? Alright, you scared the hell out of me. I'm making a video call, please, I will help. I give you private server. I don't need one. Bro, didn't even work. I don't need. Yeah, you know, I can work with a public server. You know, none of these people are annoying me besides you. So, I mean. But don't private servers just cost money? Well, it doesn't matter. It's just going to be just him and me, which is going to be even worse because he's going to be stalking me 24/7. Alright. If this doesn't work, I'm probably just going to make one of those flying machines. Oh my God, and now my other friend joined me. Oh no. Now the group chat's gonna start calling me or something. Your friend joined the experience. Alright, what team is he on? He's on this guy's team. Anyway, okay, we're here at computer land. At least These things are stuck. Uh-oh. It's not. It's not with it. Where's something? This boat is actually slow. Alright, I lost my chick. If I don't make it, I'll eventually make a part 2. Probably have to make a part 2. Because I'm probably gonna die here. I also launched cannonballs at me, I'm pretty sure. You see, there goes the bombs. Those are bombs. Super bars. Wait, they don't launch bombs in the middle, so we're good. Yeah, we're good. Hopefully. Alright, but thank God we avoided the bombs. Oh god, oh god. That busted a big hole in my ship. Oh. I know, red ones are in our way. That's not good. Oh. Uh-oh. He lost and bombed. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna stand. Imagine we somehow make it. Oh. Oh my god, I'm so scared. No, there's that one explosive block. No. Wait, why am I not taking damage? Oh my god, I'm taking damage. No, 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 no. Where am I? I'm not taking damage, that's all that matters. Oh my god. Oh, I was so close. I was like there. Alright, now I'm gonna see if we get lucky. And those glue blocks is on sale today. Where's the sale? I think it's at the bottom here. Oh, it's not. It's not on sale. Alright, let's please have a 16% chance of having a glue block. I'm gonna buy it. Oh my god, he's back. Yes, a glue block, Sigma. Sigma, bye, Sigma, bell, Sigma, butt. Sorry. Alright, I need one more glue block. Come on. Oh. Whatever, I think we can make it work with 3 glue blocks. Alright, here are my 3 glue blocks. Here's how I make it. So first you need one like that. And then you need one of these bad boys. He is so annoying. Alright. I swear to God if he does that again. Alright. Oh my god, it's going out of control. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Yes. Yeah, so you can just make this yourself. It only requires 3 glue blocks and 1 hinge. No, shit, no. Make the block already. Alright, thank you. Alright, I know that didn't really count, but these people are annoying me so bad right now. Master boater. No, master player. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching. You'll hopefully comment down below what you use to test, and comment what game on Roblox I should play next. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribe.